Chronomancers are known as harbingers of eternity, as knowledge of the future flows through their every act. Few chronomancers are trusted, but they always have a shrewd idea of how an event will unfold. The chronomancer is a form of cryptech in the Necron army. They are normally equipped with a chromatron. The bearer of this arcane device exists slightly outside the flow of time, allowing him to glimpse possible futures and modify his recent actions accordingly. A cryptech utilizing a chromatron appears blurred, its movements sudden and spasmodic, like a primitive picked reel or degraded hololith, and a time-splintered cloak. The most accomplished of chronomancers can weave together desperate strands of time, forming an unassailable shield against any attack that does not originate from the time stream, corresponding to the precise moment of impact.
Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.